Hi everyone, welcome to the vlog. Today we are going to Krishna's office. If you have watched my previous video, there I have mentioned about this. And for kids it's a Hawaiian theme costume. So I want to feel good for myself. So I picked out a dress which is floral print, and then I added this flower, and I'm carrying this bag. I've done some DIY for Kiara's outfit, little DIY, which will give Hawaiian feel. It's not exactly that. In between my hectic schedule, I could manage only that much. It looks pretty good. I'll show you that too. If you have not watched that DIY video, I'll link it in the description, or you can click the iCard above here and just go ahead and watch that video too. I don't have any dress in black, red and white color combination, so I picked out my old dress which I kept away. But today I'm going to have fun. So let's go. All right. Guys, we reached home and it's very tiring. It's the distance is a lot from home to the office. That is very tiring, and we had lots of fun. I met some friends and their families. It was fun. Kiki had lots and lots of fun, as you already have seen in this video. Hope you liked my outfit and Kiara's outfit. If you did, let me know that in the comments. I would love that. If you like these kind of vlogs from me, let me know that too, so that I can make some more of these vlogs for you guys. Until the next video, bye.